YouTube? Welcome back to Scale Garage. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to start building this BMW C4 by Tamiya, ASMR style. Let's get into it. Before I can paint the C4, I need to do a little bit of body prep. This includes installing the front bumper, rear bumper, trunk, and door pieces. After using the rotary tool to remove the excess plastic, each part is now ready to be sanded smooth with 800 grit sandpaper. Now that all these parts are cleaned up, I can throw them onto the body using some super glue from Dollar Tree. Now that all the parts have been installed on the body, I can deepen the panel lines. Typically, you're supposed to use a panel line scriber, but I'm using the back of an X-Acto blade. Finally, the body is sanded down with 1500 grit sandpaper. This allows the primer to stick to the body easier. Before I can spray any color, the body needs to be primed, and to do this, I'm using 2 coats of Mr. Surfacer 1000. For this C4, I'm going with the 1:3 ratio titanium silver and titanium gold. The first coat came out light as hell due to me using a lower PSI, but it's solid. I realized that with this ratio, the more sprayed, the more the body showed gold, so it kinda seems that the titanium silver is redundant. Jumping to the third coat, the body is entirely gold. This wasn't really my goal. It still looks solid though. After laying the color on the body, the roof also needed to be painted satin black. Following the body, all the chassis parts got primed and painted as well. dash headed to the side to dry for a few days, and now I can move on to detailing and assembling the chassis. Most of the chassis components still need to be detailed with a little more paint. With all the parts being fully detailed, I can now move on to assembling the chassis with my super glue from Dollar Tree. All the parts fit with no issue, making this a quick and easy assembly. To give the exhaust some heat standing, I use burnt blue from Tamiya Weather Set D. Similarly, I also use oil stain from the same set to weather the chassis. I also use black panel line accent to weather places the brush can't go. This gives off the appearance that the car is actually driven. Not that anyone will see it anyways. And finally, the chassis had a few silver bolts that need to be detailed with some Vallejo silver paint.